Hey everybody, welcome. I am Lynn, this is my project, and today we are here at Hollywood Studios to ride well, we're gonna probably ride Smuggler's Run, but here to ride Rise of Resistance. We got here at 6:38. The park opens at 7, and we walked in through the turnstiles at 6:52. And we started hammering away at the app and we got it. So we came in, we ended up dropping all of our bags to go through the bag free check and make it fast just to get in the park, because you can't get into the boarding group unless you are inside of the park. So we left everything, came in bag free, and hammered away at the app. We had about 8 minutes to spare and got the boarding pass in about 28 seconds. And we got boarding group 87 for 2 of us. My husband and I were both refreshing our apps. So you have to refresh. Within a minute, they were all gone. So we're gonna hang out in Hollywood Studios for a few hours, go to Olga's Cantina, and then we're gonna ride Rise of Resistance with you guys. So let's go have a great day. Oh yeah, side note, it's my birthday, so it's gonna be a fantastic day. Let's go see what fun we can get into. Got it. Hold on. Olga's Cantina at 7:50.
Let's start on.
8 hours later.
It is officially 6:31. Our boarding pass got called at 5:30. It's so loud in here. Our boarding pass got called at 5:30, and we got a notification at 6 o'clock saying that we had to be here in Galaxy's Edge by 6:30. So we just got our cardio in for the day, running to get here, but we are now in the queue. It is moving along, and we'll be riding the Rise shortly. And this has been like a 12-hour excursion just getting to ride this one ride, so hopefully it lives up.
recruits. Commander 9-9, please report back up.
Incoming transmission from Ray. BB-8, is everyone assembled? Good. Should you be in flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. 9-9 and I shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Commander Poltam and a squadron of X-Wings shall escort us to the rendezvous point on Boca.
Roger. This is Black Leader. I hear you're a fine-looking group of recruits. Well, no time to waste. Let's get you on your way to the General.
Stand clear. The death doors are opening now.
In the briefing room, recruits, let's go!
All recruits transport.
First order knows we're here. We're getting you guys out of here. Go, go, go!
Deck is in motion. Recruits crossing to transport.
This is your final call for the day.
BB-8, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
We got company. First order TIE fighters. Reroute.
This is TR-141. We are a civilian vessel. By whose authority are we being detained?
By the authority of the First Order, resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
On your birthday. Lucky you.
These will be your interrogation groups. It is vital that you remember these colors as they are the key to the next phase of your interrogation. In a moment, that cell, the door will open and you will go in based on the colors on the floor that you're currently standing on.
The resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We are needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
Then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners. We are breaching detention block 3.
Priority alert. Detachment to low D.
There they are. Fire!
The escape pods just below us. Take the risk now. Hurry! Hurry! No, not up! I said down! This does not look good. Try to find another way down to the escape pods.
The Resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run. are to be destroyed.
Okay, you're clear.
Your escape pods came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. No, scan for his park beacon. Lieutenant Beck here.
Beck! You're right. I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the resistance base is secure. Bravo! Yes, R5, you too.
Alright, we just got off Rise of Resistance. I thought it was really good, but without giving any spoilers, I don't see myself waiting all day and doing this again anytime soon. I'd rather try and get a Flight of Passage Fast Pass or hop in Flight of Passage at the end of the night and do that. Flight of Passage is still my favorite ride, but this is definitely amazing Imagineering. The cast members that are the First Order are funny and entertaining and really nail their roles, but for me, personally, I don't see myself doing this again, but that's just a time value issue for me, as in this was a 14-hour process of our day. And I know people that didn't even leave the park. They stayed here all day long, 14 hours. That's too much for me. I'd rather enjoy many, many other things that Disney has to offer than do that. So if you get the chance to ride it, please go for it. I hope you enjoy some of the camera shots I got to show you the inside of the ride and the queue. And thanks for coming along. Remember, if you enjoy my videos, subscribe, ring that bell, and be notified every time I upload a new video. Remember, every day is a countdown to Disney.